This is one of 6 upgrades that I needed to make. Number 1 was analysing graphs from heart rate, stroke volume, and cardiac output. When exercise happens, the cardiac output steadily starts to increase until it hits about 14 and power 100. When this happens, the line then starts to curve till it hits 220 cardiac output, which is litres per minute. First it's straight and then it curves, showing that there is initial rapid increase and then it slowly increases. The cardiac output starts at about 7. For heart rate starts at 100. This is a steady increase the whole way through. It's nearly a straight diagonal line. It increases, slowly increases, and then increases. It has a rapid increase until 75 watts of power and about 130 heart rate, and then it kind of curves off, creating not so much of a straight line anymore. When the power gets to 150, the heart rate's 160. This is where the heart rate doesn't increase as rapidly anymore. For stroke volume, there is a quick increase when power gets to about 50 and stroke volume is about 85. Another very quick increase from power 100 and stroke volume 100, a smaller increase, and then it curves and plateaus off.